This is Marcos from ECCPP Autoparts. For the past 10 years, ECCPP has provided exceptional auto parts and customer satisfaction. Dedicated to fast shipping and customer satisfaction has made ECCPP stand out as a reputable source for both customers and vendors. With over 1 million auto parts in our stock, ECCPP's goal is to become the #1 go-to spot for any auto part need. Clients worldwide, our warehouse located in Ontario, California is ready to fulfill any customer requirements through our completed warehouse system and well-established supply chain. As a family business, ECCPP prioritizes customer safety by providing the best parts to utilize on the road. As a result, we at ECCPP have a special team consisting of experts and specialists who inspect and test our products in order to provide our customers with the most reliable product ECCPP can deliver. Professional, efficient, and dedicated staff ready to make ECCPP a leading company in the auto industry, our goals of surpassing customer satisfaction and delivering the best products available always continues to improve. We appreciate and dedicate ourselves to customers and our products. If you're passionate about automobiles and striving for customer service, we welcome you to join our team.